Hello everyone, this is Hengyi, a new PhD student from UGAT, directed by Guillaume Colbois, Miguel Mundo-Ronan, and Mila Rousseau. Today I will present my project, Impact of Forest Harvesting on the Functioning of Lake in the boreal forests. Boreal forest in Canada is the second largest terrestrial biome in the world and represents the largest freshwater source on Earth, including more than 1.5 million lakes. Therefore, aquatic and terrestrial ecosystems are usually considered as independent in the boreal forest landscape, and there is a knowledge gap in understanding their interaction. Meanwhile, due to the importance of timber, forest exploitation is one of the most important economic activities in Canada. Clear cutting increases the amount of organic matter exported to aquatic habitats. My project aims to evaluate the extra terrestrial organic matter from logging to the functioning of boreal lake, for example, the biogeochemistry and their food web. We hypothesize that forest harvesting impact the ecology of the boreal lake, especially on food web structure, sedimentation, and greenhouse gases emission. And we also hypothesize that esker lake are more sensitive and less resilient to a forest harvest contrasted with clay lakes. Why do we focus on these two kinds of lakes? For my experimental design, 12 lakes are chosen on the Canadian boreal shield with similar physiographic condition in IBDB region, 6 clay lakes and 6 clay lakes and 6 esker lakes. As you can see, the photos taken during my fieldwork on the poster. There are some differences between a clay lake and esker lake. Clay lakes are usually considered strongly influenced by their watershed, and esker lake, as they have a close connection to the underground water, are poorly influenced by the watershed. In view of esker lake have simpler traffic level, their stability resistance are poorer. Among 6 lakes of each type, 3 were taken as reference, which means they are located in undisturbed forest, and the other 3, their watershed will be locked from this winter until next spring. This is my 4th month in Canada, and I have just finished my 2 times field work sampling last Saturday. And there will be a continuously sampling for the next 2 years in order to investigate the post-cutting condition. The frequency of sampling will be 3 times a year from spring via summer to autumn to account the seasonality. For the fieldwork, physical parameters were taken in situ, for example, light condition and penetration. We have also taken some water to the lab for further study on biogeochemical parameters like carbon, chlorophyll, and nutrients. We have also collected some organisms from zooplankton, phytoplankton to fish, macrophytes, and even dead leaves on a lake bank in order to build a complete food web by means of stable isotope and fatty acids. The fate of terrestrial input from forest harvesting in lake, starting with the monitoring of greenhouse gases and sedimentation. This is the beginning of my project, and I cannot wait to present my results in following years. Our research aims to build a connection between terrestrial and aquatic ecosystem and revise the paradigm of forest management. Thank you for your attention.